Hey guys, good morning. Cooking in quarantine. So we're gonna make some bomb-ass French toast today though. Some of my favorite. A little bit of booze, so you can't go wrong. Sunday fun day. Gotta add a little addition of that. And some heavy cream, it's like a creme royale batter. Delicious. Creme royale. Fancy, right? Sounds fancy. Not that fancy. Cream and booze. That's it. Classic French toast batter. Start with some eggs. I like to use a nice brioche bread. Thick. I usually like to cut it really thick, about like, 1.5 inches, 2 inches thick. Or I really like to use challah bread. Challah bread, it's an unbelievable bread. So I like using that a lot. We can't have that because it's quarantine. So we're using some good old fashioned Sara Lee artisan bread. We're gonna add a little bit of powdered sugar, 5 tablespoons, some cinnamon, probably about the same, maybe half tablespoon. If you guys want to get crazy, you want chocolate, you can throw cocoa powder in here. It is a little bitter, so you want to add a little bit more of your powdered sugar. Just a touch of salt and some vanilla, about a capful, and the good stuff. All right, Old Smoky, salted caramel whiskey. Not a lot of booze, but a lot of flavor. It's delicious. So we're gonna add a little bit of that in there, okay? And then cream, half a cup. You want the color to change. It was really, really rich, and now it becomes a little bit more pale once you add that cream. And that's really what you're looking for. I'm gonna throw a little bit more booze for good measure, because it is Sunday fun day. It's gonna give a lot of good flavor in there. That's probably 1/3 of a cup. It's gonna be boozy. So I got a little bit of butter. I'm gonna throw just a tablespoon of brown sugar in there. All right, so we got butter, brown sugar, doing its thing. I'm gonna cut these bananas in like little coins. I'm a little biased. I just think they look better. Call me biased. Dad jokes coming at you. Oh yeah. All right, so you don't want to reduce too much because you still want to get a little buzz from these bananas, you know what I'm saying? And we're just gonna coat these bananas ever so lightly in that little caramel sauce that we just made, okay? That's gonna be on top of our French toast. All right, we got our creme royale batter here. A couple of the slices of their, as thick as they make it, bread. It's pretty thin, so you guys don't have to leave it in there that long. You want it to soak up the flavor, of course, but you don't want it like sopping wet, like a really wet sponge. You don't want that. All right, guys, there it goes. I never really liked it where it always had like a brown, like almost like skin layer on top of there. It's always kind of grossed me out with French toast. So I like to cook it kind of low and slow on there. Bacon. Speaking of bacon, Jim loves bacon. I do. Follow me. Subscribers, it's free. Jim loves bacon on Instagram. I do a lot of these. Cooking in quarantine. All right, so look at that. Nice. Little action on there, okay. Looking good. All right. French toast is done. Alright guys, so this is with that caramel, banana, whiskey sauce. That's pretty nice. There's your one right there, okay? That's the caramel bananas Foster right here with your salted caramel whiskey. And then your old faithful, your classic over here with just some fresh berries, a little bit of melted butter, the real deal Sugarman Vermont maple syrup. That's how I like it. I prefer it like this. All right, guys, it's been fun. Let me know what you think. Throw out some more requests. I'd be happy to try to get them done. And thanks for following, subscribing, all the support. Love you guys. Keep cooking. Stay safe.